To mount your framed Wex window, first confirm that the window ID letter on the label matches the letter on the Wex window installation key chart for the window you are about to mount. If there is an unlabeled inside liner, remove that before you install the Wex window. Make sure the label is right side up and that the corner standoffs are at the bottom of the Wex window. Hold the Wex window by the vertical side edges of the frame so the seals are free to contact the window frame mullions. Position the Wex window on the sill with the top angled into the room so the standoffs and the bottom seal contact the sill. Be sure the bottom of the Wex window is pushed all the way to the window pane and is centered between the mullions. Slowly rotate the top toward the window. When the top seal is about to contact the window frame, apply gentle pressure to the middle of the Wex window to decrease the amount of air trapped by the Wex window against the window pane, until the top of the Wex window frame contacts the window pane. Once the Wex window is in place, use a putty knife to create a small gap between one of the side seals and the mullions while gently pushing near the center of the Wex window. Continue maintaining gentle pressure on the center of the unit while removing the putty knife so that the seal contacts the mullion. Using the putty knife, push the seal gently but firmly against the window pane, working your way around the entire perimeter of the Wex window. Continue pushing air out until the sheet is flat. If the unit is loose-fitting within the window framing, you may add painter's tape across the top corners to temporarily secure the fit. Place bottom clips by removing the extended liner from the clip, exposing the adhesive. Place the non-adhesive surface against the Wex window, about an inch from the mullion where the clip rests on the sill. Slide the clip to the mullion while pressing it against the Wex window. When the adhesive surface contacts the mullion, apply pressure to the adhesive toward the mullion. It's very important that no dirt or skin oil gets on the fastener adhesive. If a fastener gets dirty, discard it and start again with a fresh one. Remove the painter's tape if you used it and place the top clips at the top corners so the top clips adhere to the mullions and are all the way to the header. Place the midpoint clips by aligning to the painter's tape denoting the midpoint locations so the adhesive surface contacts the mullion midpoint. If a clip is misaligned, loosen its screw. Readjust the clip so it presses against the Wex window and then tighten the screw. After all 4 corner clips are in place, apply black silicone caulk in the U-shaped seal channel in the 2 gaps behind each clip. Fill the space so no light is seen behind the clip when viewing along the channel. A putty knife can be used, if needed, to help you insert the caulk into the U-shaped seal channel. If the window frame or other objects make it difficult to insert the silicone tube tip behind the clip, a Wex Energy supplied angled tip can be added to the silicone tube tip. The angled tip can be secured with tape. Repeat this process for all 8 corner locations. Finally, remove the protective liner by pulling it parallel to the window. Go to wexenergy.com for more information or email info@wexenergy.com.